Welcome to Working with Text Files. In this lesson, you'll learn essential text processing commands that are fundamental for working with data in Mac and Linux terminals. We'll cover the WC command for counting words, lines, and characters, sort for organizing text data, uniq for finding unique lines, and cut for extracting specific columns from text files. These commands are powerful tools for data analysis, log processing, and text manipulation. Let's dive in and master these essential text processing skills. The WC command counts words, lines, and characters in files. By default, WC displays three numbers: the line count, word count, and character count, followed by the file name. You can use specific flags to get individual counts. Use WC-L to count only lines, which is very useful for counting the number of lines in a file. Use WC-W to count only words, which count sequences of characters separated by whitespace. Use WC-C to count only characters, including spaces and newlines. You can also use WC-M to count characters, which is similar to -C but counts multibyte characters correctly. When you pipe output from another command into WC, it counts the pipe data. For example, lspipe WC-L counts the number of files in a directory. The WC command is essential for quickly analyzing text files and understanding their size and structure. The sort command organizes lines of text in alphabetical or numerical order. By default, sort sorts lines alphabetically. You can use sort-n for numerical sorting, which treats numbers as numbers rather than text. Use sort-r to reverse the sort order, displaying results in descending order. The sort command reads from a file or standard input, making it perfect for use in pipelines. The uniq command finds and displays unique lines in sorted text. It only works correctly on sorted input, so you typically use it after sort. Use uniq-C to count occurrences of each unique line, showing how many times each line appears. Use uniq-D to show only duplicate lines, or uniq-U to show only unique lines that appear once. Combining sort and uniq is a powerful way to analyze text data, find duplicates, and organize information. For example, sort file.txt pipe uniq-C will sort the file and show how many times each unique line appears. The cut command extracts specific columns or fields from text files. The most common use is with delimiter-separated files like CSV, or colon-separated files like the parswd file. Use cut-D followed by the delimiter to specify the field separator. For example, cut-D, :F1 extracts the first field from a colon-separated file. The -F flag specifies which fields to extract. You can specify a single field like -F1, multiple fields like -F1,3, or a range like -F1-3. When working with tab-separated files, you can omit the -D flag, as tab is the default delimiter. The cut command is perfect for extracting specific columns from structured text data. For example, cut-D, :F1, /etc/parswd, extracts just the usernames from the system password file. You can also use cut-C to extract specific characters by position, like cut-C, 1-10, to extract characters 1 through 10. Understanding cut is essential for working with structured data and extracting the information you need from text files. Excellent work! You've learned essential text processing commands: WC for counting words, lines, and characters, sort for organizing text data, uniq for finding unique lines, and cut for extracting columns. These commands are powerful tools for data analysis and text manipulation. Practice combining them in pipelines to process and analyze text files efficiently. Keep experimenting with these commands to become proficient in text processing.